Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin access. Once you have it, open Network and Internet Settings and locate the active adapter. Right-click the adapter and choose Properties, then double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP4. This is where DNS lives. Change it now to avoid waiting. Make sure to note current settings so you can revert. If IP6 is in use, repeat for Internet Protocol version 6. Start by switching to manual DNS entries rather than automatic, so you control resolution behavior. Now enter the preferred and alternate DNS addresses. Pick reliable public resolvers like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and add an alternate for redundancy. Once entered, click OK and close the network dialogues. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushdns to clear old cached entries, then ipconfig/registerdns if needed to refresh registration. This ensures your system queries the new servers immediately. Finally, test by visiting a few sites. Finish by testing multiple ways. Open a browser, ping known hosts, and run enslookup to confirm the resolver shown is your chosen server. If pages still fail to load, revert to your saved original settings and reboot both PC and router to clear upstream caches. This often resolves stubborn failures. Make sure to disable VPNs or DNS over HTTPS apps while diagnosing, because they can override system DNS. If problems continue, try a different public resolver to rule out provider outages.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.